San Carlos Park Elementary School has some problems.
When we have a roof leak, what happens is our first clue is we'll get a wet ceiling tile.
The school was built in 1979. It still has its original roof.
There's a lot of tar and extra patch up on that roof, but it really and truly needs to be replaced. Before Hurricane Irma hit just about a year ago, we had 21 active roof leaks. After the storm, we were at about 50 plus roof leaks.
San Carlos Park isn't the only aging building in the district with maintenance issues. Fort Myers High School's air conditioning unit is nearly 30 years old.
Some of the places are freezing cold because it's the first place that it goes to, and then by the time it gets to the entire campus, some of the other places are extremely warm. So it's difficult for students to be able to concentrate on what they need to as far as their education is concerned if it's extremely warm or extremely cold.
But over here on this side,
At Calusa Elementary in Cape Coral, outside walkways flood in heavy rains, and the roof there still has relics of damage from Hurricane Irma.
requires a lot of monitoring, and we could reallocate our human efforts for other things if we were able to have a new roof.
Franklin Park Elementary's gym doesn't have air conditioning, and water seeps into the gym during heavy rains.
Every school has needs. They may not be the same, but every school has a list of projects that they've been waiting to get done, and that's where we are with this deferred maintenance. We're putting a lot of Band-Aids on our projects without doing the replacement or the repair work that's necessary, and in the end, it costs you more money.
In November, Lee County will vote on a proposed half-cent sales tax to invest in our schools. If passed, it would generate approximately $59 million a year over a 10-year period. Part of the money would help pay for much-needed maintenance and upkeep of our schools.
At our own homes, if you don't have money to do the projects, you can't do or shouldn't do the projects. So do we need the half-cent sales tax? Absolutely, we need the half-cent sales tax.
To learn more about the half-cent investment in our schools, visit leeschools.net/change for change. For Lee Schools TV, I'm Adam Ray.